Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, October 17th, and this is my analysis for the Euro Yen, and we're on the daily time frame. So on the Euro Yen, I still think this could be the end of a wave B. The only thing that's going to prove that is a break of structure to the downside. Unfortunately, the only thing we really know right now is that this most recent wave is over. We need to watch our fib levels very closely. If it breaks to the upside at a fib level, there definitely still is a chance that it goes up and takes out the previous high. Like I said, the only information we really know right now is that this is over, this one wave. It could be a pullback to that wave very easily. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, if you've been watching my videos, I've been recommending shorts all week long, and I definitely am still recommending shorts unless we get a solid, strong break to the upside at a Fibonacci retracement level. Obviously, we have this big gap right here, which I think a lot of people are probably depending on that gap getting filled, which it probably will fill, but I still think it doesn't have to fill now. Gaps can stay open for a very long time. If it keeps on making lower lows, lower highs, then continue to look for shorts. If it breaks structure in a big way to the upside at a Fibonacci level, then just simply stop looking for shorts and start looking for longs again. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.